Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the topic integrated functions, and let us see what do we have to integrate. So we are given with an expression cos x upon 1 plus cos x, and we have to integrate it with respect to x. So let us see how do we solve this question. One of the approaches you can see on the screen, this one. Let me show you another approach. So let us take the expression first. Our expression is cos x upon 1 plus cos x. What we do? We add 1 in the numerator and subtract 1. You must be thinking that 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the use of adding and subtracting them twice? I will show you what's the use. So you can see that we can break the whole expression in two parts. First part is this one and the second part is this one. So what do we get? We get 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus cos x. Now you all must remember the identity, that is cos of 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, right? Yeah, this thing only. So cos of 2x plus 1 will be 2 cos square x. Okay, so 1 plus cos x can be further written as 1 upon, this thing will be cos square x by 2 and multiplied by 2. Now next is 1 minus, the whole thing can be written as sec square x by 2 divided by 2, and that is the same thing that we will find in the this question. So let us see the approach now. What they have done, they have written cos x as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 from the same identity. This identity further expands to cos square x minus sin square x. This is the same thing. So here our x is this is 2x, but it is x here. So this x will reduce to x by 2 as shown here. And similarly, I showed you how to write 1 plus cos x as 2 cos square x by 2. So finally, we simplifies our terms to half of 1 minus tan square x by 2. So half of, we bring down the term in the integration. Now what? We again convert tan square x by 2 to sec square x by 2 minus 1 from the identity, that is sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. We have used the same identity over here. So we get 1 minus sec square x by 2 minus 1, that is half into integration of 2 minus sec square x by 2. So that is the, now we know the integration of 2 will be 2x and integration of sec square x will be tan x by 2 into 2, and we already have half outside the bracket. So we get our final answer as x minus 10x by 2 plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So I hope you all got it. Thank you and have a nice day.